Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And this page will be a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is vitality. What does it benefit you to have your heart's desires? And you cannot enjoy it due to poor health, poor thinking. You need to make sure that you eat right, treat right, stay away from pork, stay away from shellfish, exercise that mind, body, and spirit, being able to read the things that interest you into the direction that you're going. Doing what you can as far as a run, jog, sit up, crunch, whatever you could do to your best ability, work out that body. And then make sure you have a prayer, meditation, going out to the elements, soaking this great energy to have to work out your spiritual life. But make sure that you're on a massage bed twice a month. Make sure that you're in the chiropractic office twice a month, because treat your body like a machine, it shall short circuit as such. So you only have one. Pamper your body, it will treat you better, and you will get great results. I am the being of light. I accept divine energy in my body, and every one of my cells regenerates and thanks me, and you are elevated, because once you change on the inside, guaranteed things change on the outside. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.